Kyler's first time eating with a spoon. Eating some applesauce. Good job, pretty girl. Is it yummy? You got it all over your face. Yummy.
Hey, Mom, let you put up me.
Hold on, okay?
Okay, Mom.
Mommy, hold it. Mommy, hold it, okay? Good girl, Kyler. Is that yummy? Yum. Can you say yum? Can you say bye-bye?
Dada.
Bye-bye.
Let's take a picture of me.
Say bye-bye.
I can't see.
Say bye-bye.
I can't see.
I know you can't see. It's a video. Say bye-bye, messy face. You got a messy face. With yogurt. You got yogurt on your face, too?
Can I see with the camera?
Yeah. Ready? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.